Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'll be showing you a way of making money by owning a business that you don't really own, but a business that you can make nearly as 100% profit from the product. So this is gonna just make you the middleman, which is, we all know that businesses these days are developed based on that. Businesses such as Taxify, Uber, Mr. Delivery, they are all middlemen businesses, and these are the best type of businesses. And today I'm going to show you how to start your own, but you'll be doing everything online. All of it is online. So what I want you guys to do is to go on to Google, obviously, and click on www.clickbank.com. So here, this is the website where you will be finding affiliate programs, and these affiliate programs will give you affiliate programs will give you a code of your own that you will use to promote. And while you are promoting this, you are hoping to get sales, and when you get sales on that person's website, you also get an amount, a share amount. It can range from 50 to 75% on the price of the whole product. And let me just show you guys how much these products mostly sell for. These products mostly sell for a lot, and I've already opened the market. All you have to do is just go here on the ClickBank. When you are inside ClickBank, you click on the three lines and you go to affiliate marketplace, and then it will open a website like this one that you're seeing here. So these are, let me just go back and show you the products that the different categories that they have, and you guys will love this. So the categories that they have, as you guys can see here, it's arts and entertainment, as seen on TV, betting systems, games, fiction, mobile languages, politics, current events, self-help, software and services, sports, travel. It's a whole lot of things. And the one that I like to go for is fitness, health. Let me see, where is it? Yeah, fitness and health there. So I want to show you the range of products that they have here. As you guys can see here, it loaded, and you guys can see the pricing here. $134, $174, $110, and some of them are below $100, but it's still worth target. But majority are just above $100, and that is a heck of a lot of money. Let me just click. So you go here and you look for a product that you might be interested in. You click on promote, and you will get here it says you can earn 75% commission for every customer you refer to this product. Get started now. So the name that you put in, it can be any name, because it's a nickname. Say CB as your nickname, and then you generate a hop link. After generating a hop link, there is the link there. You copy this link. What I want you to do is copy this link by clicking on this page thing, and we can minimize that page for now. So you guys can see that 75% of this amount is a lot of money. 75% of 100 is already $75, and 75% of 30, 10, 20 is around 19, I think. Yeah, I'm not good at maths, but yeah, that's it. And it also has like subcategories under the categories that you find. So what I want you to do, after copying that link, the first way of promoting your link is, there are two ways. So the first way of promoting is to promote using Facebook groups. Facebook groups are very powerful because there are people that are gathered for a common purpose, right? So what I want you to do is to search, maybe let's choose a category here and say exercise and fitness. Yeah, that one is okay. And say we look on Facebook and say exercise. and we will find all sorts of exercise things, but we need to click on groups, because what we're looking for is groups that are where people are meeting up there for a common purpose, which is exercising, right? So you say groups, and it'll show the groups where people are meeting up for such a thing. So here you can see it says this is a private group. It says 290 posts a day. So in such groups, you will need to be approved first, and you'll have to wait. This is a public group. You can post from the beginning, and you can post and such. Do you see how active this group is? It says 180 posts a day. That's what you are looking for, because people are active in that group. People are probably asking questions. People are probably curious. How do you do this? How do you gain weight? How do you lose weight doing this? How do you lose fat on your stomach only? And when you post such content, then people are going to be interested and most probably click on your thing and hopefully get a say. And this is all for free. And here there's another one. It says 10 posts a day, how to lose weight fast without exercise in 2 weeks, gym work. And this is also private, but it has a lot of members here. It has a lot of members. It's probably well regulated. Even if you do join the group, you won't really get to be approved when you send your affiliate links. But yeah, that's whatever. You can work towards being able to post those if you present yourself very well in one of those groups. And another one is here. This is a public group, and it has 145,000 members. Easy weight loss without exercise. So which means for this one, you probably need to target another type of product. For example, here in nutrition, these are probably people that are looking to lose weight without exercising, which means eating well. And the next group that you can target says Black Women Workout. This is such a good one. You post in there, and yeah, you target people that are really interested in your product, and it's really, really targeted. So that's what you will do with the affiliate link. How you post it is really also important. You need to post in a way that your pictures look attractive. You can maybe go on to Canva and create a picture or a video which is going to get more attention. As a basis, you can just try any and see how that goes for you. And the second method that I have for you guys is to go on Instagram. This is a paid method, but it is definitely not that expensive. It's not as expensive as you think it would be online. Yeah. So let's say you are on Instagram. What you want to search right now would be something like health or weight loss. Let me say weight loss, because you're most likely to find that easily. Weight loss, and it should load all the pages. Okay, this is the first page that we're getting. It says weight loss transformation, and it has 565,000 followers. This is so good, right? What you want to do here is just look at their engagement rates too, and see how many people like 1,000. The engagement rate is not too high, but you can look for other pages that are similar to them, and to do that, you click on this drop down here, and it will suggest other pages that are similar. So here's one. It says weight loss diet plan. It's worth checking out, and it loads, and it says 26,000 followers, and you can check the engagement rates. 100, 200. Not bad. And what you will be doing is looking at pages that look like this one when it comes to weight loss, and you will be texting these people, DMing them, sending them a DM and asking for their rate card, and tell them that you're looking to advertise your products on their story. Let's check out the story, for example, to see if they might have a sponsored post. Okay, they don't. So that's what you'll be doing essentially. You'll be just DMing them and check if they are willing to post a sponsored post with links where people will follow. And if you guys want me to make a detailed video about how to get these people that are gonna post for you, because influencer marketing really works, and how much they charge, how to negotiate, and all of that. And also, if you want us to create a challenge based on that, we can also do that, and I'll come back with my results. Yeah, so you guys can see this page looks really, really good, and it looks like it keeps people engaged. People are liking. This one had a lot of engagement. This one too, but this one is just doing the most of all of them. And yeah, that's how you get to sell a product without owning a product. You cut out all the admin of delivery, cut out the customer care centers and all of that. So yeah guys, catch you on the flip side. Thank you for watching. See you next time.